Hello, Yatri. So, welcome back to Yatri Cloud. And here is the video which you are waiting from a long time. 100% free Microsoft Azure certification voucher. Now, if you are new to our channel Yatri Cloud, you can simply join Azure Yatri community and other too. So, you can find the link in the description. You can simply go to the Google and type community.yatricloud.com and you can simply join us. Now, how to get a voucher from Microsoft totally 100% free. So, you have to complete the 4 steps. Which steps? So you can see this is a fabric community where you will be get to know how to get 100% free discounted voucher for exam if it's 700 or 600. So if you are looking for any other exams, then you can simply use the voucher which you are getting in your email address. So it applicable in other exams too. But this is sometimes it works, sometimes maybe not. So you can try it out once after getting a voucher. I know it's saying here the offer is only available for the 600 and 700, but still the voucher is used in other exams too. So I use that voucher in other exams. That's why I'm telling you. You can try once. Now, here's the 4 steps which you need to do. The first one is to join the Fabric community. So how you can do it? Simply click on the sign in. You can just create a one account of Microsoft and you are able to complete the first step. Now, second, you have to complete the 3 Fabric modules. How? Simply click on the Microsoft Learn and you are able to redirect into the main home page. But here you are not able to find out any Fabric modules. So what you have to do? You have to just go to the link. I will give the link in the description. Now, this is the modules. This is the first one, second, third, fourth, and so on. So you can select any of 3 and you can simply complete this one. So you can see this is green mark. That means you have completed. That's it. Now, the third step. This is a live session. So simply click on the live session here and you have to register for the session. How? Click on the sign in and register for the event. That's it. Nothing to do much. Now, this is the 4 steps which you have to do. Now you have to submit the form to get a voucher. So click on the sign in. After the sign in, you are able to see this kind of the form. So here is your username. You can simply select your country. This is your exam and simply give the answers of any questions, right? And after that all simply click on the agree to this terms and condition and you are good to go. Now, how when you are going to get a voucher, so it takes a bit time. So please wait at least 1 month. And here is the deadline of the form which you need to done before the 28th February. Okay, so please submit the form and get your voucher and try to get certified. So if you get to know more help, subscribe to the Yatri Cloud and follow me on LinkedIn. I'm gonna be help out to you to get certified as I'm already 21x Azure certified. So I'm also able to get certified to you. So yeah, that's it pretty much about today's video. So yeah, see you soon in the next video. Till yet, take care yourself and do it to get certified. Bye bye.